All right, in the previous video, I showed you how to use Thunkable, this software tool for kind of non-programmers, for beginners, and you can build apps with it. But what we did is we tested this simple app where we got a button, you click it and some words get said. And, you know, if we preview it on the computer, we click on say it, it just says I am a coder, right? So it's a real simple app, and the blocks were just when the buttons click, say some stuff. Okay. What I want to show you in this video is how to test that on your device, and how to run your apps, not just on the computer, but on your mobile device, whether it's an Apple or Android or a tablet, whatever. Okay. And the first thing you need to do is and what I'm doing here is I'm projecting my tablet. This could be my phone as well, but I'm projecting my tablet onto my computer screen. You don't need to do that. You just need to have a device. Okay, and on your device, the first thing you're going to do is go to the App Store and search for Thunkable. And when you search for Thunkable, you want this Thunkable Live app. And I've already got it, but you're just going to want to get it and get that app on your phone. And what Thunkable Live is just an app that knows how to emulate or test the apps you run here. So you can run all the apps you build through Thunkable Live, and you can also download the app separately, but this is how you do like quick testing of your app. Okay, so once you get Thunkable Live installed on your device, it's real easy. Thunkable kind of finds the connection for you, and all you have to do is click on Live Test, and it will actually run your app on your device. So my app is now running on my tablet. It's, you know, pretty dumb app, right? It's just got the one button, but I'm going to go ahead and on my tablet, touch the say it button. I am a coder. And you can hear it says I am a coder. So there you go. There's how you can test on your actual device. And like I said, that's really kind of emulating your app. You know, you're not really, you know, you don't really, like if I close down Thunkable Live on my, you know, I don't really have this Say It app on my device, right? I'm just running it through Thunkable Live. But you can use this download, and you can actually download the app. You know, you'll do that once you're completely done with the app and you're not just testing.